Okay, good morning student. Now we are going to learn about good morning, how are you? But before we are going to learn, don't forget to wash your hand and stay healthy. The rest for COVID-19 pandemic. And also before we are going to learn, hopefully our God always be lead us, protect us for all of the activity that we do. The rest for our teaching learning process today. Okay, now we are going to learn our material today. Okay, here we go. In this material, we will learn how to greet, to take leave, to say thank you, and to say sorry. Jadi, kita akan belajar mengenai to greet, menyapa orang, to take leave, kata-kata kita ketika berpisah dengan orang, to say thank you, berterima kasih kepada orang, to say sorry, dan meminta maaf kepada orang. Okay, here we go. In this material, we will learn to greet our teachers, friends, and others when we meet them in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. Jadi kita akan belajar menyapa guru kita, teman kita, dan orang lain ketika kita bertemu dengan mereka di pagi hari, sore hari, siang hari, ataupun malam hari. Okay, let's continue. In first slide, we can see that there is a greeting and leave taking and also response, in which greeting and leave taking consists of hello or hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and how are you, good night, goodbye, see you tomorrow later on Monday. And also to respond, that is consists of hello or hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, fine, thanks, I am fine, thank you, good night, honey, sweet dream, bye bye, and see you. So that is an example to greet, to leave taking, and also how to respond. It's already showing in this slide. Okay, let's continue in the next slide. That is how to greet. We can learn how to greet. Bagaimana cara kita menyapa? Menyapa di pagi hari, di malam hari, atau di siang hari. So we are going to learn it. Okay, let's continue. How to greet in the morning. Bagaimana cara kita menyapa di pagi hari? So in the first picture, showing that there is a child and also daddy, in which child greet his daddy with say, good morning daddy, and the daddy respond with say, good morning. Jadi the child menyapa orang tuanya dengan mengatakan good morning daddy, dan orang tuanya juga merespon dengan mengatakan good morning. And the second picture showing that there is a mom and also child, in which mom greet his child with say, good morning Siti, how are you? Jadi ibu menyapa anaknya dengan mengatakan good morning Siti, how are you? And also Siti respond with say, good morning mom, I am fine, thank you. Jadi ibunya menyapa anaknya dengan mengatakan good morning, dan anaknya juga merespon dengan mengatakan good morning, I am fine, terima kasih. Okay, that is about how to greet in the morning. Okay, let's continue. How to greet in the afternoon. Bagaimana cara kita menyapa di siang hari? Jadi di slide kita ada seorang guru, there is a teacher, and also there is a student, ada seorang siswa, in which student greet his teacher with say, good afternoon sir, how are you? Jadi siswa menyapa gurunya dengan mengatakan, selamat siang sir, how are you, bagaimana kabarmu? And also the teacher respond with say, good afternoon Udin, I am fine, thank you. Jadi gurunya juga merespon dengan mengatakan, good afternoon Udin, I am fine. And also in the other picture, we can learn and we can see how to greet in the afternoon. Okay, let's continue. How to greet in the evening. Bagaimana cara kita student menyapa di malam hari? Jadi in the first picture showing that there is a child and daddy, in which child greet his daddy with say, good evening dad, are you tired? Jadi anak menyapa orang tuanya dengan mengatakan, selamat malam pak, apakah kamu capek? Dan juga Orang tuanya membalas atau merespon dengan good evening Benny. I am very tired. Saya sangat capek. Kemudian in the second picture, there is a child also and the mom, in which child greet his mother with say good evening mom. I am feel tired. I am hungry. Jadi si anak menyapa orang tuanya dengan mengatakan selamat malam ma. Saya sangat capek dan lapar. Jadi ibunya merespon dengan mengatakan good evening Edo. Of course, you are take a bath and then have a dinner. Jadi begitulah cara menyapa di malam hari. Okay, let's continue. And in this picture also we can see how to greet and how to respond the greetings. In which in first picture showing that there is a teacher with say that good evening everybody, how are you? Selamat malam everybody, bagaimana kabarmu? And also the student that respond with say good evening sir, we are fine, thank, how are you sir? And the teacher respond it with say fine, thank you. And the other picture we can learn and we can see it how to greet in the evening. Okay, let's continue. To take leave, bagaimana kata-kata kita berpisah dengan orang. Okay, that is how to say goodbye. In the first picture there is a child, ada seorang siswa dan mamanya, in which the student go to school and say to his mother with say goodbye mom, and the mother respond with say bye Edo, take care, see you. Jadi ketika Edo berpisah dengan mamanya karena Edo mau pergi ke sekolah, Edo mengatakan goodbye mom, dan ibunya juga merespon dengan mengatakan iya Edo, hati-hati di jalan, or bye Edo, take care, see you later. And also in the second picture, ada dua siswa yang berpisah ketika pulang ke rumah dari sekolah, in which say that see you later, and also respond with say see you, take care. Jadi begitulah cara kita ketika kita berpisah dengan orang dengan mengatakan goodbye. And another picture we can learn and we can see it how to say goodbye or how to take leave with other. Okay, let's continue. In this material also we can see in the first picture there is a student that students say that see you tomorrow guys and see you, take care. Jadi ketika siswa berpisah dengan teman-temannya, dia mengatakan dengan see you tomorrow, sampai jumpa besok pagi, dan teman-temannya juga merespon dengan sampai jumpa, hati-hati. Jadi begitulah cara menyapa atau mengatakan kata-kata perpisahan kepada seseorang, or to take leave with say goodbye. Okay, let's continue. This is about to thank and to say sorry. Bagaimana cara kita berterima kasih dan mengatakan permintaan maaf kepada seseorang. Yaitu di gambar pertama, or in the first picture showing that there is a two student, in which Benny say that Udin, I am sorry I forgot to bring your sports seat. Udin, saya minta maaf, saya lupa membawa sports seatmu. Jadi Udin membalas dengan that's okay, tidak apa-apa. Benny, you can bring it tomorrow. Kamu bisa membawanya besok. Jadi begitulah cara kita meminta maaf kepada seorang. In the second picture, Mr. Rita, thank you very much for the gift. I like very much. And the teacher respond with say good on you, Lina. I am happy you like it. Jadi, Lina berterima kasih kepada gurunya dengan mengatakan, Mr. Sta, thank you very much for the gift. Jadi, begitulah cara kita juga berterima kasih kepada seseorang. For example, in this picture. Okay? And also, in this slide also showing that there is a child and teacher, in which the child say that, good morning Mr. Eri. The class is already sir. Jadi, seorang siswa melapor kepada gurunya dengan mengatakan kelas sudah siap. The class is ready sir. Jadi gurunya merespon dengan mengatakan good morning Edo. Okay, thank you. Jadi gurunya berterima kasih kepada siswanya dengan mengatakan thank you. Jadi begitulah siswa-siswa kami, bagaimana cara kita mengatakan, menyapa orang, to greet, to take leave, berpisah dengan orang, to say thank you, berterima kasih kepada orang, dan to say sorry, bagaimana cara kita meminta maaf kepada seorang. Jadi begitulah cara kita about materi kita pada hari ini. So if you have question, you can ask it below on in the media that we use to learn. Okay, thank you.